Hi everyone, welcome back. As you all can see, I'm already out in my garden here. So this video is about planting plants. I have decided that I'm going to plant as much as trees I can. That does not mean that I used to not plant before. I used to. But then my granny used to nurture it. I was very lucky enough for that. But now I have taken it to be really seriously. So the plant which I am going to plant today is avocado. So this is the fruit. I am going to cut it into two and take the seed out. Let me cut the avocado into two halves. Here I have taken a ripe avocado, and I also suggest that you all take a ripe one because so that you all can eat it later and the fruit does not go waste. So here is this seed. I have taken out the outer covering, and this is how the seed looks like, and it's all ready to be kept for sprouting. So as you all can see, the avocado seed naturally has some division in between, like this line which you all can see. This is going to separate the seed and the sprouting is going to come out. So leaving this division from between, I am going to poke the toothpicks at this side. It is always better that you poke this toothpick where there is a fine line, like you all can see these fine other lines at this side. So I am going to poke it here, and it is always best that you poke these toothpicks upright slanting like this. So this is the container I am going to take, which is filled with water, and I am going to put this seed into this. It is always better that you fill the container with water in which the seed is half into the water and half of the seed is above the water. Finally, the seed is all grown up and it's time to plant it. But first, let me tell you all the process. To be honest, I had planted 3 seeds of avocado plant, and as naturally, they all were in different size and shapes. The seed which I have shown in this video was the first one which I had kept for sprouting. And to tell you all the process, this seed was continuously growing every day, inch by inch. And it was really very fast. But then in between, like after 3 weeks, it just stopped growing. And I was like, I thought it got spoiled. I thought like, I don't know what happened. But then after 35 days, it again started showing some growth, and it was tallest among the rest of the seeds. And the second seed, it just grew in no time, leaving rest of the seeds behind. Both of them are grown really well. So let me show it to you. So this is the first seed which I've shown in this video. It's the tallest and it has slightly bigger leaves, and it was having this big seed. The second one, it looks like this. You can see the difference. Like this seed is the one which grew really fast when I had kept it for sprouting, and this one grew really slow. But now the first seed is the tallest, and this seed is slightly shorter than this. And this one has slightly shorter leaves and longer roots, and the first seed, is having longer leaves and shorter roots. So this is how they look like. Talking about the third seed, unfortunately, it just broke open when I was changing its water. Yes, like I was just cleaning its water and it just fell from my hand and broke into 2 halves. Y'all really need to be very careful while changing its water, or else maybe shifting them from one container to another, because they are really delicate when they get this division in between. Talking about their care, these seeds like any other seed, need warmth to grow. So what I used to do is keep them in the sun during the day and bring them back inside during the night. Then about changing their water, they really didn't need to change it because the seeds used to suck up all the water and I used to refill it. But then anyways, I had to change it like about 2 weeks because then I started getting this issue of mosquito breeding in it. So I literally used to change it whenever I could see this breeding. And also really be careful while changing the water because at that stage where they get this division in between, they are really very delicate. So they can broke open like my third seed which fell off while I was changing its water. So this plant of mine is ready to be planted, but then I'm not going to plant it right now because I want it to grow at least about 3 to 4 feet because in and around my place there are a lot of creatures roaming like pigs or else maybe small mice, rats. I don't want to spoil my hard work by growing them up so big. So I'm going to plant them into a small plastic bag and wait till they grow up almost about 3 to 4 feet. Yes. And planting them into a soil, they need soil which is easily drainable. But the most tensed part is like they take almost 5 to 6 years, even more than that, maybe 10 to 13 years to produce fruits. So that's a really long time. So guys, that was my avocado plant, which is one of my most favorite, and I'm really going to wait for it till it produces fruit. So like, it's worth the wait. So if you liked my video about this avocado plant and you all want me to do more such videos, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you all have any suggestions or maybe any questions or queries, then let me know in the comment box below. Till then, see you next time.